So what we got going on here is digging in footings. We digging in footings so that we can put the posts up and connect them to the metal beam. We're gonna take out a wood beam, remove the wood beam, and we like to use this metal beam, way more durable and it lasts longer inside your properties. So this is a basement full gut project. Not gonna use it as livable space down here, but we wanna make sure the structure is right. So we wanna remove that wooden beam and we wanna have the correct footings so that it's supported. The footings is gonna support the metal posts and the beam is gonna sit on top of it. The beam is gonna go from one end of the property all the way to the other end of the property. We've also removed some joists, kept those, removed these, and now we are leveling them so we can have a nice, solid floor upstairs on the first unit. LamonJr from Chicago checking in. Lashley Construction Group. We're gonna keep y'all updated.